Hi everyone, here is the string pull from my last video. It turned out really pretty. I love the colors. I love the colors so much I'm using them today in a Dutch pour. So I did not coat this canvas yet in white. So if you want to zoom ahead a little bit, I don't blame you. It only takes a couple minutes, but still, let me get my gloves out. I'll probably jabber away about something while I'm doing it, so you may miss out on just fantastic conversation. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. So this is my Floetrol water house paint combo. So I met for lunch today with the woman I'm doing my art show with, which is April 3rd and 4th. Getting nervous, but excited. Nervous mainly for like the logistical parts of it. See, that didn't take long at all. Just getting all my paintings in order with tags and stuff. That's the hardest part, I think. Just getting everything set up. Let me get rid of these bubbles. Alright, and I'm actually going to start with my puddle being white. And then I'm going to put ARTEZA light magenta. And ARTEZA violet. And Artist Loft turquoise. And the ARTEZA yellow. And then that weird neon green. That's kind of iridescent-y. But I don't know where exactly it came from. Now I shall get my hair dryer. Whoops. So I want it to go out like that. Really pretty. I don't want that part. Let's put some clean white paint there. And it looks really neat. I'm glad I wasn't sure about the green, but I really like the green. Oops. Put it up there. So pretty. I'm going to torch it. Actually like my big torch way better. More power! Power! So anyhow, let me get my camera. I love it. It just looks like kind of a mushroom cloud. Which isn't always a good thing, but in this case it is. So there you have it. Turned out really cool. There it is. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.